What's up guys, for today's video we're going to review and unbox another monthlyknifeclub.com. I subscribe to one of these. There's a Leo plants, cheaper plants. I subscribe to Ultimate, $165 because it's supposedly the average value will be $330. Obviously give it or take it, depends on the items, plus certain things do go on sale. So we're going to open it up, see what's inside there, and also we'll go on eBay and scan every single item to see the value of all of the items. Let's see. Whoa, look at that sticker, holographic sticker over here. Check this out, that's cool. Okay, save 7% on new orders. There's a coupon if you guys want to grab this coupon, and also the value of everything. One thing, they tell us how much the value of this stuff. Wait, this is just tiers. They do not tell me the... Oh, it does tell you what kind of knife there is, but instead of telling us, we're going to see right away. Already see QSP, awesome knife. I'm really excited about that. Kester. Sometimes there's also knives comes out sooner in the subscription boxes before they go on sale. I really like that brand. Look at that handle. Ooh, smooth, beautiful, everyday carry knife. Look at that, 3.5 finger hold. Let's see what the balance is on this knife. A little bit down this way. So not perfectly balanced knife for everyday carry. It's perfect though. So it is a flipper thumb stud. Look how smooth that is. It is a high quality knife for sure. Let's see the materials. Look at that. This is so nice. Thumb stud, jimping. I don't know what that means. Lanyard hole tells us all the diameters. Custom ball bearing over here. Okay, does it tell us? Okay, the blade steel is 14C28N, blade stonewash, jade G10 handle. So this is a jade G10 handle, beautiful. Now what I'm going to do, looks like it is scannable on Amazon. Amazon sells these knives as well. I mean, they sell them on Amazon as well. So let's see, will it scan, will it scan? If not, what we'll have to do is go to Google and type in QSP. Okay, there you go. There's a knife blade, $70 knife either way. Boom, that's nice. So we are $70 in already. Really excited about that. Ooh, concept, who excited about that? And there is a Scott. It's also like a parent company. Burgundy G10 handle, stain finish, D2 blade. D2, a full affordable blade, not the best material, but it's a good working material. So it's a really nice blade. This one right here, CPM 20V. This is obviously going to be $250 knife. That's the difference with the amazing blades versus like regular blades. Okay, let's see what it's about. Wow, wow, I love this blade. Looks like a little sword over here. Beautiful. Little drop, kind of like a parody of what is called Zero Tolerance. Very similar look to it, but obviously all the knives are similar at the end of the day. They all have a folding mechanism and a blade and a handle, right? So it's really hard not to copy a knife. Very smooth. I love that knife. Look at that. Okay, now, okay, Sandcut Actium. I think it's on Amazon actually. There it is. It's a wood handle. We have burgundy. So nice. $40 knife. This is D2. Like I said, it was going to be affordable. So 70 plus 40. Let's see. 70 plus 40. We're already at $111. And we have not opened the best knife yet. This is gonna be the best one right here, right away. Concept Buka 3.2 inches. So this one probably will be on Amazon. Let me pull it up real quick. Scan this. Nope, not on Amazon, but probably on eBay. Today all these knives are not anywhere. So Concept Buka, there you go, $170. That's how much I paid for these boxes, $170. We got this knife for $170, and $111 worth of 2 other knives are free pretty much. That's so nice. So if I sell it, I can sell all this stuff for profit after I'm done video. But I probably will keep some of them, but that's for sure. Look at that. Wow, is that titanium? What is this? That's my fingerprints. Okay. So this is going to be stained CPM S31 VN, really good blade steel, and a plain titanium handle. So this is top of a line. Wow, what a beautiful little blade. I really like the pointiness of it. Super cool. Obviously titanium is going to be very light handle. That's what the balance is, so it would be on this finger when I hold it. Nice, beautiful little knife for sure. There's a designer logo. Oh, check this out. Let me show it to you guys. That's a good looking design logo right here. And there's Buka says, and Greg Scob designer. Love that blade. Ooh, liner lock. It is really smooth. But it is a flicker too. So, boom. That's amazing. I really love Concept knives. Okay. Frog Wipes CPM. Original green cleaning lubricating rust. Okay, so it's kind of lubricating and for knives or something, of tools. That's cool. Oh wow, this is expensive. This is titanium, looks like. Vargo, I've filmed so many times. Yeah, looks like a titanium. Maybe this one is steel. This is definitely on Amazon. I can't believe it's keep going. I thought there was like one more thing and be done with it. Okay, let's see how much it cost. Yeah, $11. So let's go to my plus 170 plus 11. Wow, $290 already. Let's check this real quick, how much this wipes are. Plus 11, another 11 right here. So we are 302. Let's see, they say the value at 330. How cool is that? They are so close to promise price. So another $27 plus 27. Wow, $1 off. But you know what, give it or take it, right? I'm not even including taxes right here. That's a little bigger right here. Wow, so like a drop pouch on a belt, looks like. Yeah, for the leg. It straps over the waist and the leg. That's cool. So wow, so surprised. $330 worth of stuff for only $160–70, and I have right here 3 amazing brands. Definitely getting the subscription going till the next month. Cannot wait to see what I'm gonna get next time.